midnight, that the poor man spent all his savings to finally meet his idol. He is excited. I shook hands with my idol excitedly. Didn't expect idol in front of him. Hands underwent a comprehensive disinfection. Poor face on the spot. Then he let security herd poor people into economy class because for such a noble man as him, I will never sit with lowly poor people. But poor people protest because for oneself I bought a first class ticket and I have the right to sit here. These words made the idol instantly get excited. He once let the poor know what capital is, so I called the stewardess. Done whispers. Soon there was a radio broadcast on the plane. Because of the idol's words, that's it. Let the plane turn around at once. In this way, poor people are kicked off the plane by their idols, but the idol never thought of it. After this impoverished man formation for his strongest opponent, his name is Carter, born in India, far away village due to inconvenient transportation, village poverty and isolation. Body a father who is a teacher wants to change the status quo. Ask them to make the village a train stop, but countless letters fell into the sea. For my dear, I didn't give up. It took 10 years to write this letter. Already Carter, who has grown up, has his own opinions. He leading the villagers to lie down on the tracks to protest. As a result, he was exposed by the police in chaos. Carter, his small eye was hit and he almost lost his sight. Father, I was very angry when I found out about this. Reprimanding your son to use violence will not solve the problem. 103. But in Carter's view, father writing a letter personally is tantamount to sitting back and waiting for death. This conflict, the relationship between father and son, dropped to a freezing point. Soon Katkau entered the National Defense Academy and became an Air Force officer. Cruel day after day train. I often write letters home, father friendly and superficially unconcerned, but always eavesdropping on my mother. Reading letters, I learned that my son was born excellent performance. He couldn't help but feel proud. But one day soon Carter suddenly received a call from his father. News about my dear friend's critical illness. He rushes arrive at the airport quickly, but because the air ticket is too expensive to afford, I have no choice but Tokus use other modes of transportation. But when he finally got home with great difficulty, but discover father, the funeral arrangements have been completed. Mother, how can I accept it? Dote, only son in the family. I didn't even see my father for the last time. Looking at father, a letter left to myself. Carter burst into tears. Gradually this self-blame turned into a ragging flame. She wants to change society into such an unbearable situation. Think let poor people like her afford to fly. Think let this kind of regret never happen again. Then she is determined to herself start a low-cost airline. After retiring, Carter began to raising money everywhere, but she ran away. 23 home venture capital institutions. Everyone thinks she is a fool just when she was desperate. How? 205. He thought of his idol Paresh. Paresh started from scratch. Now he is the boss of Air India. To meet Paresh, Carter spent it all savings, bought a first-class ticket. When I met Paresh, Carter spoke his mind, but I didn't expect. After hearing this, Paresh refused kill him because he doesn't want to see it rich and poor people fly together. This will only downgrade the airline. After saying that, he ordered the plane to return. Kicked Carter out directly a plane, but at this time one venture capitalist, but the Lord Dong found Carter. Turn out to be he is herded on the plane. Carter and Parley conversation. He very interested in Carter's project. Carter seeing this in a hurry take him to a small restaurant. The environment here is noisy. Lao Bai face disgusted. Lao Beta discusses if you hungry Ivy can go to the 5-star hotel next door. Carter didn't answer, rather hand him a pizza. Let him have a taste, but I didn't expect the taste not bad. Carter told him the food here was not bad. Then 5 stars. The hotel manager didn't answer but handed him a pizza for him to try, but he didn't expect it to taste good. Carter's complaints to him, the food no better than 5 stars, bad taste in first-class hotel, but its price but less than 1/10 of that. So such an affordable little restaurant more in line with people here needs. Same this kind of truth if skip meal service on the plane and reduce flight attendance. This will reduce 10% cost. Again let the driver work 3 shifts. 1 planes can fly 6 times a day. Carter was stunned by the idea of casting investors. He asked Carter to go to the board meeting with him. Bundle the plan was told to other shareholders. Soon some shareholders raised questions. Even if we invest in you, you can't buy it 6 times. Carter's idea shocked the investors. He asked Carter to follow him to the board of directors to tell the other shareholders the plan. 305. There will be shares soon. Dong raised doubts. Even if Ivy invest in you, you also can't afford a plane? But Carter had no intention of purchase. He plans to rent. It turns out that the Twin Towers impact of the attack. American Airlines has always at a loss. We can rent it at a low price, but it takes 6 months for funds to arrive to book a flight. In advance, Carter can only go first. Advance funds in advance. He returned to the village and asked the rich man to borrow money and promise him high interest rates. Rich people once was his father's student. For the sake of mother, for my dear sake, local tycoon gave her 47 million, but the premise is that it must be done within 3 months, must be repaid. After getting the money, you can open an airline, but the Civil Aviation Administration of China lead, but they use various reasons to avoid it. 2 months have passed. Immediately Carter as the license still hasn't been obtained. Seeing the loan is about to expire, Carter can only find ever journalist friend whom I have met hang out together. Enter the president's interview site. Carter took the opportunity to told his story. Most eventually the president was moved by his story. Success got a license for him, but he haven't had time to be happy yet. One, the phone call shattered his dream. The United States cancelled aircraft orders because the Civil Aviation Authority of India suddenly issued a new policy. American plane to be tested in India must need to provide the blueprints of the aircraft to the Civil Aviation Authority of India. Won't let them reveal their secrets, possible things, so he went begging the leader to find a way out. Can the leader said directly. Then the two of them exploded, had a heated argument. Desperate. 410. Carter can only find pitching again. Capitalist Lao Bai seeks help, but Lao Bai told him a shocking secret. Cast investor Lao Bai Jiangi. Carter was told everything. Desire to fly a low-cost airline. Precious cake was touched, so Paresh sent Lao Bai to pretend to support his plan. Let him put it in 4,710,000 rupee, and those Americans, the planes have been leased to Carter, but Carter couldn't show it again. Aircraft blueprints. The plane can only be parked outside and cannot be tested. At Onseso he broke overnight produce carrying tens of millions liabilities. This heavy blow prompted Carter's wife to encourage him, but he blasted away. My wife this day a little sparrow broke into home. Carter also has a coat color because of the suddenly opened mahjong. Although small but people are playing with the whole sky, it doesn't have to be a passenger plane to pull people in. Small cargo planes are also available. Receive fee 1 rupee. All poor people can afford it. If he just goes ahead with his idea, he will quickly get a small cargo plane and he can charge 1 rupee. All poor people can afford it. Just do it. His idea quickly gained traction with the family freighter company support. After all, it's more profitable to attract people than goods. We are willing to provide him with a plane, but the remaining chips Carter can only rely on himself to prepare the work. Now he is penniless. There is no collateral, but just in him times of despair donated 30 million rupees to him. This Carter was deeply moved with enlightenment working capital. The first time for Deccan Airlines test flight, everything went well during the flight, but its landing hall machine, the control tower, refused to accept it. Everything is caused by fear of Leish. Seeing that the fuel is gone, not much we can only do this at military bases. Emergency landing. 5:12. There were no casualties on the plane, but Carter they were arrested. Nudalton years in prison. Originally death is decided, but I didn't expect service. The commander who hated Carter the most, this not once, just not adding insult to injury, he also encouraged Carter to bravely challenge power. Next, Carter initiated 1 rupee just sit down aircraft activity. Top 10 on every flight. Booker can enjoy one fare of ours. After that 500 prices in rupees and 1000 rupees, and here most expensive air ticket is no more than a train ticket. 2003 year 8 moon 16 day. Carter will be the first flight location. Choose New Delhi and invite the Minister of Civil Aviation was invited to attend the airport. Didn't expect an accident occurred before the plane even took off. It turns out it was Paresh again. Paresh bribed the captain before the plane took off. Machine. The accident was caused by the driver deliberately adding the wrong fuel. After the newspapers were full of negative news about Air Deccan. Just because for this safety incident, Air Deccan forced to suspend operations. Industry only one step away from success, but or was your opponent choking you? But he didn't give up. He decided to go. Television is starting to fight back in this country. In this, prove to people that airplanes are safe. Carter decides to launch budget airline debut. Take the whole family with you when you fly in order to prevent people from being bribed by Leish. Carter is guarded by the plane for 3 days and 3 nights. Finally, the first flight came again, but apart from Carter and his family watching huge airport, this always strong man shed tears. But right there at this time, the employee responsible for online ticket purchasing suddenly ran over. It turns out there is no one order ticket, rather too many people booked tickets. As a result, all tickets for this flight were automatically cancelled. But other luck, all flights operated by our company are fully booked. The first one soon. The plane is about to land. Watching folks get off the plane. Carter again, can't he hold it tight? Mother, my mother was filled with tears of pride for her son. In her hand still holding a portrait of.
Don't hit pause on the excitement. Discover more incredible content. Browse our library of award-winning videos today. Browse now for more. Thank you for watching. You are awesome. I love you.